Today's lesson is divide with one digit numbers. So we will divide by one digit, and what we will do today, we will solve questions like these questions. Complete each calculation. 82 divided by 5, and we will see what is the steps that what are the steps that we are going to use to solve such a question to finish the division. Of course, yesterday we used pictures. We draw pictures and solve the division question. Today we will not do the same. Today we will use the steps, not the drawing. Okay, my heroes, now open your books, page what?
296.
Yes. Okay, in this question, a factory shipped 477 watches in 3 boxes. Each box had the same number of watches. How many watches were in each box? So, we should divide the 477 into the 3 boxes. So, the equation is 477 divided by 3 equals W. And W here is unknown. We should find W, so we should divide 477 by 3. We can estimate this to see if the solution is near to the estimate or no. So the nearest number to 47 that we can divide by 3 is 45. So 450 divided by 3. And this is equal to 150. And now we will see the steps. As you can see here with me, we start dividing with the hundreds, the greatest place value that we have. So we start in the dividend from the left. And after that, move to the tens, and after that, move to the ones. Okay, it's better for us to see the steps slowly, so I will write the steps here. Okay, I will use this page to write the steps. So please focus with me. My heroes, mute your mics, and please focus with me.
Yeah.
Yes.
The steps that you will write in this board, I write it in the book.
No, you can write this in a piece of paper, or you can write it in the notebook. Okay, my heroes, we start first with the division house and write the dividend. The dividend is 477, the number that we are dividing. And we write out of the box, out of the house, we write the divisor, the number that we are dividing by. And of course, you know that the quotient lies here, the answer lies here in the top of the house. Okay, I will first tell you that the first step that we should do is division. Estimate the division. And after that, we multiply. And in the third step, to get the remainder, we should subtract. Okay, let's see the steps. I told you that we should start from the left. The greatest place value is hundreds. So 4 divided by 3. We can write the table of 3 to help. So you know that 3 times 1 equals 3, and 3 times 2 equals 6. And I'm dividing 4 by 3. So I'm dividing 4. I cannot use 6. So we will use the 1. 3 times 1 equals 3. We will use this one. Okay. So the quotient is 1. And there is remainder, but we don't need the remainder here. We will find the remainder in the same question. So I will write in the top here 1. And till now, we've finished the first step. Estimate the quotient. And move to the second step, which is multiply. Multiply 1 by 3. Of course, we know the answer because we have the equation. It's 3. What is the next step? Subtract to get the remainder. So subtract 4 minus 3 equals 1. Okay, now my heroes, we've finished the 4. And we can move to another digit. So when you finish one digit, you can move to the other digit. Okay, in this case, I will move to the next digit, which is 7. What should I do? I should move to the next digit. The next digit in this case is the 7. Drop down the 7. So, till now, my heroes, from where we get the 1 and from where we get the 7. From where we get this one and from where we get this 7. We get the 1 from the remainder, 4 minus 3, and we get the 7 from the dividend, the next digit. Okay. Okay, what should we do after that? After that, my heroes, we should move and repeat all the steps again. After next digit, repeat all the steps. So, start with divide. Divide 17 by 3. To divide 17 by 3, we will search in the timetable of 3 for a number that gives us near to 17. So you can continue 3 times 3 equals 9 and so on. Or you can get direct to the number that you think is near to 17. Both are correct. Okay? And we call this draft. There is no problem to write anything you want in the draft. So 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 times 5 equals 15. And 3 times 6 equals 18. Oh, 18 is more than 17. So we cannot use 18. But we can use 15. So we'll choose 3 times 5. And
Mr. They are writing in the chat.
okay, please, my heroes, do not use the chat and focus with me. So the quotient is 5. And someone tell me, what is the next digit? The next step. Now I finished the first step, divide. What is the next step? Yes, my heroes? Anyone?
Sir, what's the question?
The next step
Subtract.
is multiply. Multiply the 5 by 3. And we have the answer already, which is 15. Okay, I finished the multiplication. What is the next step?
Subtract.
Subtract to get the remainder. 7 minus 5 equals 2, and 1 minus 1 equals 0. And now, what should I do? Move to the next digit. Okay, I will move to the next digit. The next digit in this case is this 7. Drop down this 7. And everyone now knows from where we get the 2 and from where we get the 7. The 2 is the remainder of 7 minus 5 equals 2. 17 minus 5 equals 2, minus 15. 17 minus 15 equals 2. And the 7 is the next digit. We drop the next digit. And someone tell me, what should we do next? When we drop the next digit, we should repeat all the steps again, right? So to repeat the steps, we start with divide. Start with divide. 27 divided by 3. 27 divided by 3, of course, equals 9, because 9 times 3 equals 27. So it is 9. And now, what step should we do? We've finished the first step here, so move to multiply. Multiply what by what? Yes, my heroes, multiply what? 9 times 3.
Multiply 9 times 3.
And 9 times 3 equals 27. We write the 27 down here and subtract. 7 minus 7 is 0, and 2 minus 2 is 0. So now, my heroes, we have the quotient, which is 159. So the answer is 159 watches. And my heroes, we call this long division. These steps, we call them long division, because this is division and it's pretty long.
Mr. It's very hard.
Okay, you will get used to it. And now, my heroes, I want you to remember these steps, because we will write them again when we start any division.
Mister, I want to say something.
Okay, say.
In the first 27, how we get 7 there?
Listen.
In the 27, you mean
Yeah.
this 7?
Yeah.
Okay, we dropped the next digit. Okay, my heroes. Now let's move to the book. We will do it again.
Listen.
Yes, who's speaking?
Malik Osama, I didn't understand it.
Okay, Malik, I didn't ask you to solve one like it yet. I'm asking you to focus with the steps. This is the first time for us to use it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, my hero. Okay, my heroes, before we start, I want to write the steps that we are using. And everyone with me, the first step is estimate division. The second step is multiply. What is the third step? Do you remember?
Subtract.
Excellent. And what should we do after that? After this
Multiply.
equation,
Next digit.
next
Next
Add.
digit. Okay, I cannot use this color. I will use another color. And when we drop the next digit, what should we do after that? After dropping the next digit?
Repeat.
Repeat. Excellent. You are a hero. Okay. My heroes, write the steps. These are the steps that we are going to use each time we use division.
On page 296, there is
No, I don't know what you want. Okay, my heroes, we don't want to waste time, so let's start. Ali Raed?
Yes, Mr.
Okay, Ali, we are going now to solve question number.
I'm Ibrahim Sultan.
I want Ali.
Yeah.
Okay,
عليهم مستر.
mute your mic. He knows. Okay, Ali, go ahead.
Okay.
We are solving question number what?
3.
Good. So, this is the...
Mr. What's the page?
Who's speaking?
Saleh, what's the page?
Saleh?
Yeah, what's the page?
You tell me what page is this?
No, it.
Okay, I will not tell you. Ali?
Yes, Mr.
Okay, please tell him the page.
297.
Okay, Saleh? And please focus, my hero. Okay, now, Ali, we will start with the 8. And the first step is divide. Divide 8 by 5. So, we can use the timetable of 5. And as you know, 5 times 1 equals 5.
5.
And
R
5
3.
times 2 equals 10. Can we use this one? 10?
No.
No, so we should use 5 times 1.
5 and R 3.
So when we divide 8 by 5, the quotient is 1, and we have a remainder. We don't need the remainder now, but the quotient is 1, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I will write here 1. Okay, now my heroes, you know why I used this one. Okay, continue, my hero. The next step is?
Multiply.
Good. Multiply what?
Multiply
1 by 5, it will be equal to 5. It's written already.
yes.
Okay, so we can move to the next step. The next step
okay.
is?
8 multiply 16.
No, subtract.
Yeah, subtract.
Subtract. So 8 minus 5.
Yes.
Equals?
Equal 3.
3. Thank you, my hero. And Saleh? Saleh? Saleh, respond.
Yes, mister.
Yes, my hero.
Yes, mister.
Now, can you tell me what should we do? We have finished
Yes.
step 3. What should we do?
Step 3. Uh,
Drop the next
Okay.
digit. What is the next digit?
Drop the next 2.
So we will drop down the 2. Okay. Now, what is the number that we have? It's 32.
32.
Okay. And when we drop the next digit, what should we do next?
We do the multiple.
Move to the divide again. So divide 32 by 5.
Okay.
Okay. So go ahead in the timetable of 5. And it's written
5.
already 6, so we know that we will use the 6.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30.
Yes.
35.
So it's 6 because 5 times 6 equals 30. We have the 6 written already. We don't need to
Yeah.
write it. Okay, now we've finished the divide. What is the next step?
6. 5 multiplied by
Excellent. And 5 multiplied by 6 equals
30.
30. Okay, my hero. What should we do next?
2
Subtract.
multiplied by 6 is 2. And
2 minus 0 is 2. And 3 minus 3 is 0. So we should write the quotient. The quotient is 16 and the remainder is...
remainder is 2.
Excellent. Thank you, my hero. Okay, my heroes, write the answer
Teacher, I want to answer.
and focus with me in the next question. Jad?
Yes.
Okay,
Mister,
my
don't
hero.
understand. Yes, Mister.
Okay, my hero, start. 6 divided 7. And remember, my hero, that 6 is less than 7. So we cannot divide 6 by 7, right?
Yeah.
So we need to divide 65. 65 divided 7.
I divide.
Okay, we can write the timetable of 7, or you can estimate what number multiplied 7 gives 65.
7 multiply
7 multiplied by 9 is 63. So I don't have 65, but I need a number less than 65. So I have 63. Okay, my hero?
Okay.
So what number should we use in the quotient?
9.
Good. Now we've finished the first step. Let's move to the second step, which is multiply. And we have the multiplication already. So 9 times 7 equals
9 times 7 equals 63.
And what should we do after we multiply? We should...
Subtract.
Excellent. 5 minus 3.
5 minus 3 equal 2.
Great. And 6 minus 6.
0.
Great. Thank you, my hero. And Abdurrahman.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, what should we do next? After subtracting, what should we do?
We repeat again.
There is something.
Next digit.
Yes, next.
Next
What is the next digit?
It's 9.
Yes, so write the 9. And after that, repeat the same steps again. So 29 divided by 7.
29 divided by 7. 1 second. 29 divided by 7.
Okay, estimate it and you
It's
will
4.
get near.
4.
Okay, let's see. 7 times 4 equals
27.
no,
24.
28.
28.
But 7 times 5 is 30 is 35.
It's 35.
So we cannot use 35, so we will use 7 times 4. So what is the quotient?
4.
Okay, and what should we do next? Multiply? We have the multiplication
Multiply.
already. And
We will subtract.
okay, what number should we write down here?
28.
Excellent. And after that, subtract.
9 minus 8 equal 1.
Thank you, my hero. Ahmed Fahad,
Yes, teacher.
what is the next step?
Okay. Minute.
We've finished the subtraction, and we have the remainder 1. What should we do next? Drop the next digit. What is the next digit?
Okay. Next digit. Here 10. 0.
No, the next digit in the dividend. Okay, you can see my screen.
I see block in the middle.
I don't know why, but
I will go and
okay.
بطلع.
Okay, Ahmed, I will choose another hero. Abdulaziz Khalid.
What, mister?
Okay, Abdulaziz. What is the next digit?
Nine.
Yes. So now we are dividing 19 and we will repeat all the steps again. So divide again. 19 divided by 7. What number
19.
multiplied by 7 gives less than 19?
9. No.
Yes.
2, mister.
2. 7 times 2 is 14. So check another one. 7 times 3. 21. Can we use 21?
Yes.
How? We don't have 21. We have only 19. So we cannot use 21. But we can use 14. Right?
Yes.
Because we have 19. Okay, what is the quotient? 7 times what gives 14?
2.
So the quotient is 2. And after that, 2 multiplied by 7 to write the number here and subtract. What number should we write down here under 19?
14.
Yes. So the last step, subtract. 9 minus 4.
9 minus 4.
Yes, my hero?
5.
And 1 minus 1 equals 0. So,
0.
what is the quotient? 942. And what is the
5.
remainder? Yes, it is 5.
Teacher,
And
he has
my heroes, this is draft. You can write it or not. You can use any numbers in the draft. You can do the draft as you wish. And the very important part for us is the division itself. Yes?
Mister, I understand it, but if the one came from where? The one beside the 9.
9. This one?
Yeah, one beside the 9.
It's 9 minus 8.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
remainder of the previous step.
Oh, okay.
Okay? So, guys, you will master this when you do it by yourself. Now, my heroes, I will send to you the link of the game. Let's start, my heroes. Ibrahim Jalala.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Ibrahim, the first question quickly.
Yes, teacher. Teacher.
The first
Yeah.
question, Ibrahim.
Yes. 100.
You cannot read the question? Okay. If $900 is divided evenly by 9 people, how many dollars does each person have? What should we do?
We do the
Ibrahim, you're wasting time. What should we do? Which operation should we use? It's clear, my hero. Ibrahim,
divide.
divide. So divide 900 by 9 and it's equal to 100. Thank you. Okay, the next question. Ali Dokhi.
Al-Dukha is here.
Yes, my hero. 75 divided by 5. So we can use long division, okay?
Okay.
Okay, 75 divided by 5.
5.
Okay. So start with the 7 first. 7 divided by
Okay.
5 equals
35.
7 divided by
7
5.
divide 5.
Yes. What number times 5 gives 7 or something less than 7? 5 times 1. And we have remainder, of course. Okay, my
The
hero?
1 is the remainder.
I don't care about the remainder. I will calculate it. So the 1 is the quotient. Now, we said that 1 times 5 equals
7.
1 times 5 equals 7.
5
Yes.
equal 15.
My hero subtract.
5 multiply 5.
No, subtract. 7
5
minus
minus
5.
5. 5 minus 5 is 0.
7 minus 5. From where
7
you get
minus
5 minus
5?
5? Yes, 7 minus 5 equals
2.
good. What should we do next? Drop the next digit, which is 5.
25
So 25 divided by 5.
equal 25.
25 divided by 5 equals what?
25 divide 5 equal 5.
Great. and 5 multiplied by 5 equals 25. When we subtract, the remainder will be 0. So the answer is 25.
15.
Sorry, 15. This one. Okay, thank you, my hero. Guys, finish writing quickly. I will move down to the next question. Is there anyone writing? Okay, I will erase this. And now we are solving question number 3. And Thamer,
Yes.
go ahead. Okay, 1 divided by 6 cannot be, so 12 divided 6 equals. Thamer,
Yes.
2. And 0 divided 6 equals 0. Thamer? Okay.
Yeah.
No, you
Yeah.
didn't answer. You will help me in the next question. Quickly, because we don't have time. 2, 6,
Okay.
8, 5.
2, 6.
And everyone write with me at the same time. Everyone. Write with me, my heroes.
By 5.
Okay. 2 divided 5 cannot be, so we are dividing 26. 26
Okay.
divided 5 equals,
5.
because 5 times 5 equals 25. What we should get, we should get a number less than 26 to be able to
Okay.
subtract. 26 minus 25 equals
1.
drop the next number, the next digit. 8.
7.
So 18, not 7, 8.
Yeah, 8.
18 divided 5. You remember that 5 times 3 equals 15, and 5 times 4 equals 20.
537.
No, my hero, I want the steps.
Okay.
So we cannot use 20, we will use the 15.
5.
So, no, not the 5,
Okay.
the 3. And 3 times 5, 15. If we subtract, it's 3.
Yeah.
Drop the next digit, which is 5, and this digit. And now 35 divided 5 equals,
7.
and 7 times 5, of course, 35. When you subtract, you will get zeros. Okay, so my heroes.
That's 537.
Yes, my hero. Okay, my heroes. This is the end of our session. Do you have any questions?
Love you.
I love you too, my hero. Okay, my heroes. See you inshallah next session, and goodbye.